guys and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So today's video is by it's a COSCELIA starter kit from Amazon. It comes with everything that you need. So let's just get into seeing what is in this giant box. So first you get some jewel forms, and then I realized that on the back there was a hell of a lot of more stuff. So there is a jewel forms, a duster brush which is very soft, some nail glue. I assume this is for embellishments because you don't have tips with this. Some cuticle oil. It says it's peach and mango, but it just smells like I don't know, it just smells sweet. You get some striping tape, some embellishments, nail art, like French tip painting stickers, 2 buffing blocks, some toe separators, some nail clippers, a cuticle cutter. I don't use these, but I use them to open like sealed pots. Some nail pad remover things, a cuticle pusher. This is the second nail block. It's pretty much the same as the other one. It's 100 to 180 grit. They're washable, but I don't wash my files. Some tweezers, your spatula, God, I lost my train of thought then. It's a polygel brush with the picker end at the other end. I call it a javelin spear because, yeah, that's what it reminds me of. Some instructions and some little stickers to put swatches on. 4 polygels. They don't have the swatches on them. You actually have to open them to see. Then there's 4 pots of gel, a top and a base coat. And then this kit also comes with 6 gel polishes as well, so that's great. So you get a lot in this kit. You get a lot of nail art and stuff like that. So the orange and red sort of stickers, they are temperature changing glitter gel polishes, and then the purple, pink and bluish labels, they are glitters. Like hollow glitters, there's 1 silver and 1 pink. So I do show you all of the colours here in the pots, but I do swatches in the end as well. I thought, do you know what, I'll do swatches because I wasn't going to. So these 4 here, they are temperature changing, so they change. I show the change as well, so don't worry, it's all in here. I will talk a lot through this video, by the way. I do apologise, but I just want to make sure I cover everything. So those 4 little gel pots as well, I thought they were builder gels, but it turns out they're actually gel paint. So I wasn't going to open them, but in the end I do. You might hear my children, by the way, playing in the garden. I'm watching them through the window. So this nail kit also comes with a 36 watt UV lamp. The plug doesn't come with it. You have to get a plug, but it comes with the USB cable and the lamp itself. So you just press the button and it goes from like constantly on to 60 seconds to 90 or 30 seconds. There's no sensor, and it's only a 36 watt. So as you guys know, I'll link my video in the cards of me talking about my nail lamps more in detail, but anything under 48 watts I find doesn't cure polygel properly. It's good for gel polish, but I wouldn't use anything under 48 watts for polygel. And because this is a UV light as well, it doesn't cure the polygel properly. I cured for 2 minutes in total, and when I popped the nails off at the end of the video, there was actually uncured polygel on the nail bed area. So yeah, the lamp is not great. It's okay for gel polish, and if you could do your polygel nails in layers, but I wouldn't recommend it if you like for a long-term use. Do you know what I mean? I'd recommend just like getting a decent lamp. Like mine, the one I got, I think it's only like $19.99 on Amazon, and it's a 72 watt lamp, and it's absolutely amazing, my actual like big lamp. So yeah. So I do show you me doing some of the swatches. These gels are really nice to work with. They're really like these are only 1 coat, and like they work really well. They're really nice. So this is where I realized that these gel pots weren't builder gels, because it's on the listing, it looks like they're builder gels, but they're not. They're pots of gel paint. So you get like an orange color, a pink hollow glitter chunky color, a really nice nude, and then a light baby pink color. I do swatches on all of them as well, and these, again, they are really nice to work with. They are basically gel polish in a pot. They're like the solid cream gel pots from Model 1s, but Model 1's gel pots, they are thicker and they don't move, whereas these do. I hope that makes sense. Like Model 1's gel pot, my gel pots, I have them sideways stacked on my shelves in my nail area, and they don't move, and they've been sat like that for months. So when I take them down to use them, they still stay completely still in the pot, whereas these move. So these are like gel polish paint, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, they are really nice. I do like the color variety. So you get a lot of different variety in this kit. And yeah, I think it's a nice little starter kit. I definitely recommend it, but like I said, I would get a better nail lamp. That's that nude I was talking about, and here's what the consistency is like when you actually use the gel paints. I would recommend getting a stronger lamp though, and this kit doesn't come with slip solution, so I use my own. But I would recommend getting slip solution or like rubbing alcohol to actually use to do your nails. You can use the base coat, but I don't like using the base coat. I used to think it was a great idea, and then when I realized that like you use the slip solution to clean the gel off your skin, and if you use gel base coat to clean off gel off your skin, you're leaving gel on your skin when you clean it, so it kind of defeats the purpose. And you don't want to get allergies because gel going on your skin is very bad. So anyway, the colors here, they are these are the polygels now. They are 15 grams each, and they all come sealed. So you get like this jelly orange, a darker pink, a very lighter pink. It's not much difference. I find they're just a little bit different, and then a milky white. So it's quite given that there's loads of like nail art, you would have thought that they would have put a clear in. Like I would have preferred one pink and a clear. It's okay, there's nothing wrong with it, but yeah, I would have preferred having a clear instead of two pinks. But it's still a nice little kit. So I am going to be using dual forms today, and I'm just showing you how to fit a dual form. You fit it from sidewall to sidewall, and then make sure there's a gap in between. I am showing you as well how you would quickly prep, but I will put a proper video in the cards of how I would prep, because I didn't prep my nails in this video because it would have been very, very, very long. But I'm just doing you a quick summary here. So I was going to say something and I've forgotten what it was. Hang on. Oh yes, these dual forms. So I use the number 3 in that like darker pink colour for all of the nails, and I just show you 3 nails because I didn't want to like make this video really long and it was repeating the same thing over and over on each nail, so I thought 3 was more than enough. So basically with the dual forms, they're really great for beginners. I'm also doing my opposite hand, my dominant hand with my non-dominant hand, so dual forms are great for that, and they're great for beginners. I mess up on the pinky, so ignore that throughout the video. My pinky nail does not exist. So anyway, these dual forms are really nice to work with. They're really long for one, and it's really hard to find very long dual forms. They fit really well and they have a really nice apex, but because they're super curved, they lift from the cuticle area, so you have to hold them in place and like flash cure for 10 seconds before putting your nail in to completely cure. Because otherwise you're going to have a nightmare and it's just going to lift off. It done it with every single nail, so I had to hold it in place. But it's not a big issue, you know, it's not like going to ruin your day. It might get a bit annoying, but it's really not bad. And also when using dual forms, don't forget to clean up around the edges and the back. So yeah, I do the same for every nail here. And really easy, like I said, though I will link a video in the cards of me doing a proper tutorial on dual forms. But I'm just going to put some music on and some future comments, and I'll be back in a bit when we start to decorate. So see you guys in a bit. back. So you just see me wipe away the sticky tacky layer. And then once I'd done that, then I went in with the buffer file. This file's actually really nice. I was quite shocked. Usually buffers are really hard to file with, but it was a nice like buffer file. Anyway, a great thing about dual forms is you only need to file the free edge and the sides and the cuticle area. The structure and like shape is done for you by those dual forms, which is superb. I absolutely love half of my job being done for me. So yeah, I decided to do like a rounded edge. I haven't done a rounded edge since I was like a beginner. So yeah, I decided to do that. So this is what they will look like, and I'm just going to go over the tops with the buffer because we're going to do some nail art. So that pinky finger turned out horrible. It's just, yeah, and I couldn't redo it because I had to go get my kids. I actually had the school run to do, so I was being lazy. I'm sorry, guys, but yeah. So I am going to go in with that glitter, that pink like holographic glitter in, I think it's 33, and I just do this gel onto my index and my ring finger. You will have to move the glitter around with your brush because it follows your brush, so you kind of have to push it and pull it around. But it's not too hard, and it isn't like, you know, it's not a complicated thing. You will get like used to it. It just takes a bit of trial and error. By the second nail, I was like, okay, I get it now. And then on the middle finger, I put some striping tape and some embellishments. Some little like, well, they were big rhinestones. Some rhinestones on like the cuticle and the other end of the striping tape. And then I put some like, they remind me of North Stars from like nativity plays when like I was a kid in school. I don't know if Americans do it, but here in the UK we do it. I know that a couple of our UK subscribers will know what I mean. I assume everywhere in the world would do it, like that has like religion. Not everyone, but you know what I mean. I'm not going to go into religion because that's, yeah. But yeah, so those little stars just remind me like the three wise men follow that North Star, and like that's like the cartoon sort of picture of the star. That's probably where it is a North Star, but yeah. So I put the striping tape on. I wish I'd put base coat down first and then put the striping tape into a cured base coat because that cured base coat's got a sticky layer. This tape was like material. It felt a bit like materialist, and it was bendy. You'll see it looks bendy. It was fine, it worked fine, but with striping tape, always cut it down so it's a little bit shorter than the actual nail, because otherwise if you have any hanging over, it's going to cause lifting. And then I just went over all the nails with some top coat. Again, this brush, what is it with top coats and base coat brushes with brands, apart from Model 1s that have these tiny little brushes, right? So I just used a gel brush because I wasn't going to be sat here all day painting on top coat. But I wish that companies would make bigger brushes in some of their top base coats. I don't know why the companies do this. I suppose it's for people that have shorter nails because not all of us are long nail people. So yeah, I just put some top coat on, and then before curing, I pressed in some embellishments. I had a bit of a fight with the embellishments and the rhinestones, so ignore it. But yeah, other than that, guys, this kit is great for beginners. It's a great starter kit. Like I said, I would recommend you would buy your own lamp. Like my lamp is only $19.99, like I think I've said already. So like, it's worth saving up to get. And I absolutely love my lamp, but this lamp I wouldn't recommend. And it's got no back to it or like underneath, so it kind of like, if your nails accidentally hang out the other end, you're not going to realise. And it's not that strong. I like to have a strong lamp that I'm not having my hand in constantly. I hope that makes sense. Here's where I start fighting with these embellishments. And like I said, ignore that ring finger. So yeah, I enjoyed doing the set. It was really nice, and I hope that this has helped. I asked on my Instagram if you guys would like seeing like a polygel starter kit series. So every couple of videos I'm going to do one of these leading up till Christmas. I know the C word, you know, everyone hates that word, but it's October now, so you know, let's be organized, I guess. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So like if you want to buy a kit for Christmas, or a loved one wants a kit, or you want one like off a family member, you'll have a rough idea of what kits are great and what are not. Yeah, do you know what I mean? So anyway guys, this is the end result. I do show you all in the end me popping off my nails as well, because a lot of people asked about peel off base coat. So I do show how I do that at the end as well. So basically, I'm going to explain a little bit here because we're going to be coming to the end. I paint my nails with peel off base coat. I let it dry because it's like latex. And then I just apply my polygel like you normally would. Then once they're dry, once I'm finished with doing my nails, I just pop them off. They're really easy to pop off. The peel off base coat helps so that you keep your nails protected. Here we go, and look, it's so simple to pop off. See what I mean? And the nail is completely fine. There's no damage to the nail. That layer protects it so great, and I'm really, really pleased. I love this peel off base coat. It is my all-time favorite. But anyway guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're all staying safe, and I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Keep on smiling, and I will see you all soon. Bye guys.